Testimony today about how the victims in that Ottawa County quadruple homicide died, and prosecutors trying to prove motive as they continue to lay out their case against Troy Brake. 24-hour News 8's Tony Tagliavia was in court. He's live in Grand Haven right now with more on the story. Tony?
Good evening, Susie. Medical examiners testified today that all 4 victims in the case were murdered, and prosecutors believe Troy Brake is the person responsible. Those medical examiners testified that the fire that ravaged the Wright Township home where the 4 were found did not kill them. They did find evidence that the fire was intentionally set. Wood was in the home and tested positive for gasoline. A medical examiner said the type of gun found in Troy Brake's home could have left a wound like one found on one of the victims. Under cross-examination by Brake's attorney, a medical examiner admitted, though, that other guns could have caused that wound. Prosecutors also tried to lay out their theory as to why they believe Troy Brake did it, that Brake killed the others so he could rape Brown, and that he burned the lower half of her body to cover up the crime. Today, medical examiner Dr. Stephen Cole said there were indications that an accelerant was used on the lower half of Brown's body, a theory the defense challenged.
It was disproportionately severely burned.
You have no direct evidence that any type of accelerant was used on Catherine Brown at any portion of her body.
I don't, no.
Brake's attorney argued that, in fact, it would be possible that fire was leaping up the staircase near where Catherine Brown was burned, and that the lower part of her body was simply closer to that fire. Testimony continues at 9 a.m. tomorrow. 24-hour News 8 will be in the courtroom, streaming the testimony live and chatting with you at woodtv.com. Live in Grand Haven, Tony Tagliavia, 24-hour News 8.